Welcome to madecv.com. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Luisa R. Aklan, 39 years old. I'm married and I have three sons.
Mm-hmm. What is your...
Recently,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
recently working here as a nanny and Almadam Sarja in a local family.
Okay. What is your visa situation right now?
My situation here is good, but after my contract, I want to change my employer.
Okay. When are you going to finish your contract?
This this coming June, I think my contract is finished, so I need to find new work because I have three sons. They are
Mm-hmm.
all going to school, and I need them to uh, for their future.
Okay. So, please describe your present job. What are your duties and responsibilities in that family, in that local family?
Yeah. My duties and responsibilities here is to take care of the kids. The kids here is three sons. The eldest son is 4 years old. He's going to school for a kindergarten, and
Mm-hmm.
then the second son is 3 years old,
Mm-hmm.
and the younger son is 1 year and 5 months, I think, like that.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
For the baby food, yeah, but the
What kind of
rabbit
baby
food, I
foods?
don't know.
You don't know. What
Just as
kind of baby foods you can prepare?
yeah, the rice and the hamburger, fried
Mm-hmm.
chicken, like that.
Okay. So, as a nanny, which activities do you perform with kids?
Uh, I perform them as to take care of them.
Mm-hmm.
When they wake up, I give them milk. I
Mm-hmm.
give them shower, and
Mm-hmm.
then I clean the house
Mm-hmm.
because also the bathroom. And then all the things I prepare everything to give them okay.
Okay. So, if one of the children hurts himself, what are you going to do?
I give them first aid, and then first of all I tell to my employer what happened.
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to a child?
Yes,
Give example.
if they want the knife, so I will not let them to give because maybe they will make accident.
Okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
also if they are playing, sometimes they are fighting, so I
Uh-huh.
need to see them.
Okay. Okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
Uh, First of all, I make the baby to going to sleep, and then
Mm-hmm.
if he wake up, I to the playroom and to to make him busy. That they will not asking me the food. So if the food, if the time to give them food, so they will eat good.
Okay. So what kind of a nanny are you? Describe yourself.
Mm. As a nanny, I'm more hardworking.
Mm-hmm.
I take care of them as my kids because I have kids also, and I love the kids.
Okay.
Whatever happens to them, I this is my responsibility.
Okay. So please give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Hi, madam and sir. I'm Luisa Arac, and to I'm willing to do my best as your maid. So whatever happens, this is my job, and I am hardworking.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you so much for your
Oh,
time from maidcv.com. Thank you.